Any day what people nyankopo asem na wiase asetine mu ne dadwene ene hawo ne ahonyade na da. The Bible said in miasem no it chokes the word na enso aba. And now you about be drew her die wo gu na sase pem no enso ne asem no and any day what nyankopo asem no na what ase. So he doesn't jump to entiasie first the otiasem no. The first is the person otiasem. The number one will have to hear the word first. And so Paul said to Timothy in 2 Timothy chapter number 4 and verse number 2, preach the word. Preach the word. Be instant in season and out of it reprove, rebuke, and exhort. Preach the word, not nonsense. Preach the word, not dogma. Preach the word, not human philosophies and ideas and sociological, political impressions. Preach the word. Preach the word. Acts chapter 8 verse number 35. The Bible said, and Philip stood on the scriptures. It was by the premise of the script. Philip Gina Asemuneso. Philip is going to stand on the scriptures and preach Jesus. Even though he is preaching Jesus, he is going to base his submission on the scripture. Yes, wants him to work at the about Jesus on the scripture. Jesus on the scripture.